Greetings to all. This is Jamerlin Dani, Assistant Professor, Department of Nutrition and Dietetics, the Standard Fireworks Rajaratnam College for Women, Sivasi. In this video lesson, we are going to see about lipids. Lipids are also called as fats. It is a macronutrient which is very essential for normal human body growth and development. A lipid is a macromolecule that is soluble in nonpolar solvents. Lipids are fats greasy to touch, but it is insoluble in water and soluble in fat solvents like alcohol, ether and chloroform. 1 gram of fat gives 9 kilocalories. When compared to carbohydrate and protein, it gives more energy to the human body. Lipids containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen in its structure as in carbohydrate. But in lipids, the proportion of oxygen is much less. The classification of lipids was proposed by Bloor is the most accepted classifications. First one is simple lipids, second one is compound lipids, third one is derived lipids and the last one is substances associated with lipids. Simple lipids are those which contains esters of fatty acids and alcohol. They are furtherly classified as fats and waxes. In fat, they are contains fatty acids and glycerol as alcohol. But waxes contains fatty acids plus alcohol, but other than glycerol. It has a high molecular weight. Mostly simple lipids are insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvents like chloroform and benzene. Lipids are also called as complex lipids. They contain some other chemical groups in addition to alcohol and fatty acids. There are 4 subdivisions under this group. First one is phospholipids. They contain fatty acids, glycerol, phosphoric acid and a nitrogenous group in it. Phospholipids include, that is, example of phospholipids are lecithin, sabalin, sphingomyelin. The second one is glycolipids. They are lipids containing carbohydrate and a nitrogenous group, but no phosphoric acid and glycerol. Third one is sulfolipids. These are lipids containing sulfate groups in it. Fourth one is lipoprotein. They are lipids attached to protein. They are mostly present in plasma and tissues of human body. Derived lipids. These are the substances derived from simple lipids, compound or complex lipids by hydrolysis. They are fatty acids, alcohol other than glycerol, glycerides and bases like choline, sphingosine, ethanolamine and serine. Last one classification is substances associated with lipids. These are the substances combined or associated with lipids. First substances is steroids. Second one is fat soluble vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. Next, we will see about the fatty acids. Fatty acid is an important constituent of fat. It is a monocarboxylic acid with a hydrocarbon chain. The length of the chain may vary from 2 to 34 carbon atoms. It is obtained by the hydrolysis of fats by acid, alkalis or enzymes. Almost all the fatty acids found in nature have straight chain and even number of carbon atoms. The chain may be saturated or unsaturated. The commonest fatty acids that occur in nature are palmitic acid, stearic acid and oleic acid. Among these fatty acids, oleic acid is unsaturated fatty acid. Fatty acids may be divided into 3 classes. First one is saturated fatty acids, second one is unsaturated fatty acids and third one is cyclic fatty acids. Now we are going to see about what is saturated fatty acids. Saturated fatty acids. These are the fatty acids which are contain only single bond, not double bond in their structure, and their iodine values are nil. Generally, the presence of saturated fatty acids makes the fat a solid, but there are exceptions to this rule. For example, butter, which is a solid fat, has a higher iodine value. like 35 to 50. Then coconut oil, which is a liquid fat like iodine value 6 to 10. Here, a list of saturated fatty acids occurring in nature was given. First one is acetic acid was present in vinegar. Butyric acid, caprylic acid, they are present in butter. Capric acid, lauric acid, myristic acid, they are present in coconut oil. Palmitic acid, stearic acid, they are present in both animal and vegetable fats. Unsaturated fatty acids. These are the fatty acids which contain double bonds, and their iodine values vary according to the degree of unsaturation. They are generally in liquid and room temperature, but there are exceptions to this rule. For example, lard, that is Bix fat, contains unsaturated fatty acids, but it is solid. Unsaturated fatty acids are furtherly divided according to the degree of unsaturation. They are 1 double bond unsaturated fatty acid, example oleic acid. Second one is 2 double bond unsaturated fatty acid, example linoleic acid. Third one is 3 double bond unsaturated fatty acid, example linoleic acid. And the last one is 4 double bond unsaturated fatty acid, example arachidonic acid. There are 2 hydroxy acid which are unsaturated. They are ricinoleic acid and the second one is dihydroxystearic acid. Both oils are present in castor oil. Third type of fatty acid is cyclic acid. These are the fatty acids having a cyclic ring structure containing 5 carbon atoms. They are unsaturated. There are 2 types of cyclic acids. One is hypnocarbic acid, second one is chalmukra acid. Both acids are present in chalmukra oil, which is treated for leprosy. Now we are going to see about essential fatty acids. Fatty acids are also classified as essential fatty acids and non-essential fatty acids depends upon the synthesis. Some fatty acids have specific nutritional importance but body synthesis those fatty acids. So it was called as non-essential fatty acids. But some fatty acids which does not synthesized by human body but having specific nutritional importance are called as essential fatty acids. These are long chain polyunsaturated fatty acids. Common essential fatty acids are linoleic acid, linolenic acid and arachidonic acids. It will reduce the serum cholesterol level and also atherosclerosis formation. It also important for growth of cells. Essential fatty acid is essential for reproductive function. These are prolong the clotting time and increase the fibrinolytic activity. When compared to animal sources, vegetable oil has rich amount of essential fatty acids. Now we are going to see about the biochemical role of lipids. Lipids serve as structural components of biological membranes. They provide energy reserves predominantly in the form of triglycerides. They serve as a source of fat-soluble vitamins. They act as a thermal insulator to the nerve fibers where the myelin sheath contains lipids. They act as signaling molecules. Layers of fat in subcutaneous layer act as thermal insulator, provides insulation and protect from cold. Polyunsaturated phospholipids are essential constituents of phospholipids. They provide fluidity and flexibility to the cell membranes. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe and keep learning.